Alright, your favorite math geek back here again, here to explain to you how to solve this problem. In this case, you basically have to do a preliminary step. Later on, you're going to learn this thing called power rule that you could do, but it's actually more work. So you got to start by distributing that outside term into the bracket. So you're basically going to go x cubed times x plus x cubed times 3. And then you'll do your standard derivative of higher order polynomials by moving the power in front and subtracting 1 from the power. All right, so to begin with this, we do the distribution process, and after you distribute, you get x to the 4 plus 3x to the power of your cubed. And these are both just higher order polynomials. So to take the derivative, the easiest way to do it is this d over dx can be applied to both terms, like multiplied in. And you get the derivative of x to the 4 plus the derivative of 3x to the cubed. For the first one, you move the power in front, so you end up with a 4 in front, and then you subtract 1 from the 4. And for the second one, you move the 3 in front, and you subtract 1 from the 3. And we just treated that original 3 like a constant. So you end up with 4x cubed, and the reason it's a cubed is because 4 minus 1 is 3. And you end up with 9, and the reason it's 9 is because 3 times 3 is 9. And then you end up with x squared, and the reason it's squared is because 3 minus 1 is, of course, 2. And that's pretty much all that you need to know. And if you put it all together, you get that the derivative of this function with respect to x is 4x cubed plus 9x squared. Alright, I hope you liked this video. It's important to always reflect on the question you just did and think, what was this question trying to teach you? And in this case, it's trying to teach you that sometimes you have to distribute before you can take the derivative. That's it. Alright, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, as I'll be solving more problems in this section that are useful for building your basic derivative skills. If you get this stuff down pat, guys, it's going to be so much easier when you get onto harder and harder derivatives. Learn the basics, drill them into your head, and always think, what is this problem trying to teach me? And make sure you identify what you have in your problem properly. Thank you, and goodbye.